Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the essentials. Pick the device with the clearest mic, then open the messaging app and go to the chat you need. Once done, grant microphone permission and switch to Do Not Disturb so interruptions won't cut the clip. Make sure your mic position is about 6-12 inches from your mouth. This reduces plosives and keeps volume steady. Now locate the voice or microphone icon in the chat interface. That icon is your recording button, so be ready to press it when you speak. You press and hold the mic icon or tap to begin. If the app offers a swipe to lock, use it for hands-free recording. Speak in short, conversational sentences and keep a steady distance from the mic so your levels stay consistent. Many apps show a level meter. Use it to avoid clipping. If you need more time, pause briefly between thoughts instead of rushing. When finished, stop recording and preview the clip. Trimming or re-recording now prevents sending an unclear message later. You should always listen to the full voice message before sending so you catch mistakes or background noise. Once satisfied, tap Send and watch for the delivery check or status indicator. If it fails, retry rather than guessing. If recordings are muffled or not saving, check microphone permissions, reboot the app, or try another device or headset. These steps isolate hardware from software faults. Finally, communicate briefly in text if delivery delay happens, so the recipient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.